Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, back to the channel, to the future of online wealth creation. Today, we're diving into the world of AI trading and why it's not just a game changer but the absolute best way to make money online in 2024. Step 1. The rise of AI trading. In recent years, artificial intelligence has taken the financial world by storm. AI trading algorithms are not just predicting market trends, they're shaping them. The days of traditional trading are fading as AI brings a new era of efficiency, accuracy, and profitability. Step 2. The power of AI algorithms. Imagine having a tireless, 24/7 companion working for you, analyzing vast amounts of market data, detecting patterns, and executing trades at lightning speed. AI algorithms can process information far beyond human capabilities, providing unparalleled insights and strategic advantages. Step 3. Consistent profitability. One of the key reasons why AI trading reigns supreme is its ability to adapt and learn. These algorithms continuously refine their strategies based on market dynamics, ensuring consistent profitability. Unlike traditional methods, AI trading minimizes emotional decision-making, a notorious pitfall in the world of finance. Step 4. Accessibility for everyone. Gone are the days when trading was reserved for financial experts. Now, with user-friendly AI trading platforms, anyone can enter the market. No extensive knowledge or experience required, just a desire to capitalize on the immense potential that AI offers. Step 5. Risk management and security. Skeptics may worry about the risks associated with online trading, but fear not. AI trading systems employ advanced risk management protocols and cutting-edge cybersecurity measures. Your investments are safeguarded by the latest technologies, providing peace of mind in this digital age. In conclusion, AI trading is not just the best way to make money online in 2024, it's the easiest way. With powerful algorithms, consistent profitability, accessibility for all, and advanced security measures, AI trading is ushering in a new era of financial success. Don't miss out on the revolution. Start your AI trading journey today. If you're intrigued by the idea of passive income and letting AI do the heavy lifting, now is the time to act. The world of AI trading is taking off, and those who get in early often reap the greatest rewards. Keep in mind that while AI trading offers tremendous potential, it's essential to approach it with a strategy and stay informed about market dynamics. So, whether you choose to explore the exciting world of AI trading, the key is to take that first step. And if you're willing to do that, then take a peek in the description to start your journey to success. Act fast, and may your online ventures be both rewarding and fulfilling. Until next time, happy earning. Thank you for joining us in exploring the future of online wealth creation. If you found this information valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay ahead of the game with AI trading, and let's make 2024 your most profitable year yet.